Ni MURURUNGANO wa andiki a mohoro kuma kaunti-ini ya Naikuru aria marahinyiriria kihoto kia mwandiki wa mohoro wa Kameme TV kaunti-ini no Wanjeri wa Kariuki githingatwo thutha wake kurathwo na kugurario ni afitha wa borithi muthi wa ira hindi ya MURURUNGANO wa gikundi kia Gen Z tauni-ini ya Naikuru. Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ya andiki a mohoro kaunti-ini no Joseph Openda ni makomithetie giko giki makiuga andiki a mohoro maheo wiathi wao na matigwitikira kuguoyohio kana gukirirwo ringi riria mari wira-ini wao.
Implement a zero tolerance policy towards any form of aggression against journalists. We want you to provide clear identification and protection of journalists during demonstrations to avoid any misunderstanding or targeted violence.
Thutha ucio ni MARURUNGANIRE NGINYANAGIA wabici-ini cia kaunti kamanda wa borithi kaunti-ini no NDANYI makienda ataririe uria ihoto cia andiki a mohoro ikugitirwo na oho ahithurie afitha uria uragerire ngero ino.
I think ilikuwa on a Thursday. She was tear gassed. Why would a police officer tear gas her? And then subsequently 2 weeks later wanakuja wanamshoot. It is so unfair. She's a mother, for Christ's sake.
Tunataka huyo polisi atolewe leo. Tunataka kumuona, we want to see his face. We want to deal with him today.
Mwena-ini wake NDANYI ni ugite ni marikitie kuneana cira uyu kuri ruhonge rwa guthuthuria mirutire ya wira ya maafitha borithi ya IPOA niguo uthuthurio tabanio guku akiranira ati matikuhithirira wira o wothe wigimainie na giko giki.
Karibu na Catherine pia mjitokeze kwa IPOA mtueleze actually what happened, because I'm also interested what actually transpired. Once we get investigation from IPOA watuambia kwa ini huyu, then that officer vile mumeindicate will be arrested and arraigned in court immediately.
Kuginakwo andiki a mohoro kuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni manyitanire na aruna ao MURURUNGANO-ini wa kumenereria borithi mbere ya mekinyitie ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kiambu kuria maneanire mendekithia mao.
Media Council tuonaga kaingi hindi iria undu toyo waumira no ndumiriri marekagiriria na magatiganiria undu ucio. Turahoya makinya ma na ihenya matacukio.
Turaigua ati ni makoretwo makiruta mukana borithi kuri andiki a mohoro. Kiuria giakwa ni giki, mugo turutira mukana nginya ri?
Ona inyuĩ rĩu kinyo kikinya muthigari ucio tigirirwo tiguthamio tondu akirutwo kaunti ya Naikuru areho ya Kiambu ri ndegũka kuratha andiki a mohoro a Kiambu.
Maya mothe mokite uriri Wanjeri arikitie kurutwo rithathi ithatu kiero-ini giake thibitari-ini wa Naikuru wa PGH Annex kuria arathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.